Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can buy Bitcoin on Luno in South Africa. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up the Luno app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. And then it should open on the home page. On my home page, Bitcoin is already one of the cryptocurrencies that are on my watch list. So go ahead and click on buy. And then you'll choose whether you want to make it a once-off or repeat payment. Now here, before you buy, just make sure that your wallet there is some money in it. You've added some credit onto your wallet or any other wallet that is available to you on your Luno account. And then if you're buying with a credit or debit card, just make sure that you input a card on there, and then you'll go ahead and buy. And a confirmation email should be sent to you where you're going to confirm the purchase, and the Bitcoin should be available for use to you immediately. So it is that quick and it is that easy to buy Bitcoin on Luno in South Africa. So that's basically how you can buy Bitcoin on Luno in South Africa. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.